You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 8, creating queues in Jira Service Management. Queues are important in ITSM. There are different queues for various teams. Server team might have their own queue. System team might have their own queue. Field support team, data center team, network and database team might have their respective queues. Let us perform this lab. Lab number 8. To perform lab number 8, we need to log in into home.atlassian. As you can see, I have already logged in into home.atlassian. Now, let's click on Jira Service Management. We'll expand NetSoft IT Service Management and we'll click on Queue. We'll click on these three dots and we are going to click on Queue Settings. On Queue Settings, we are going to click on Create Queue. We are going to name it as Software Issue. Let's move ahead. Here we are going to give queue name as software issue, and we are going to assign to priority group. From drop down, we are going to select default. Scroll down and we are going to click on create. Again, see here we have software issue. Okay. Go back again to queue and click on queue settings. And this time we are going to create a queue. This time it's gonna be hardware issue. Click on create queue, hardware issue. Assign to priority group, we will select default. Scroll down and we'll click on create. And here, if you see, when we expand default, we have two more queues, software issue and hardware issue. With this, we have completed lab number 8. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.